A Letter from Your Teacher on the First Day of School. Written by Shannon Olson, illustrated by Sandy Sunk. Dear student, this is a little welcome note I want to share with you. Believe all that I'm about to say because every word is true.
There are a few important things I'd like for you to know. All throughout the school year, our relationship will grow.
I cannot wait to get to know you and all the things that make you, you. Do you play sports or like to draw?
Maybe you even do kung fu.
I'll get to meet your family and hear the places you have been.
I want to know your favorite subject and see awards that you may win.
I promise every morning to greet you with a smile. We'll give high fives and hugs, or fist bump, if that's your style.
I will celebrate with you when you have exciting news, like it's my dog's birthday.
Or, I got brand new shoes.
I'm here so you can learn a lot of science, math, and reading.
I'll help you with your writing and all the skills you will be needing.
But learning is not just about the schoolwork that we do.
Some values that I hope you'll gain are empathy and kindness too.
You can also be respectful by listening with your ears and eyes.
Follow directions the first time and take good care of your supplies.
I want you to set high goals and persevere through any test.
When it comes to working hard, I expect you'll try your very best.
Some days will be a challenge. You may think, I just can't do it.
Even when you cannot yet, I am here to help you through it.
I'm going to try to make you laugh and put a smile on your face.
We will make learning lots of fun. This is our happy place.
I'm excited that you're here. Day by day, I hope you'll see I love being your teacher, and you mean so much to me. Love, Mrs. Murray and Mrs. Murphy.